welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And once again, we have Dwayne on the mix. Now, Dwayne has this tape that he's playing off of Michelle. She's defending Lorraine against Tina Chin. Now, Michelle is that she's going after Tina with. She's saying that she and Lorraine, basically, they would have stood by Tina, and they stood by Tina for a long time when Tina was on their platform. And so it's a lot of mixed feelings. She's very upset, highly upset, and she's knocking Tina out. So go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel.
I saw it, but I turned a blind eye to. I left it alone. Yeah, that was you poking the bear. Yeah. Respectfully, that was you poking.
You is a bad mind, dirty bitch.
Oh, Lord.
That's why you pick me them not like you. Because you're bad mind, you're wicked. These are the things you do to people. And then when you're done, you come out, come play a victim. You over there tell people go to them to unfollow Lorraine. So what if people unfollow Lorraine? You see Lorraine take the internet as a business? Eh? Facebook appear Lorraine drunk, huh? Facebook appear Lorraine,
everyone, Janet, everyone,
girl,
I mean, everybody.
Girl, worrying out
just
girl.
Listen.
Eh? Facebook appear Lorraine, you gotta tell people about the unfollow. So what if people want to unfollow? How it will affect Lorraine? Eh? You is a wicked dirty girl, you Tina Chin. You is a wicked dirty drunk crow. You gotta talk about you gotta take my song and make mockery of it. Police don't make mockery of dirty cocoa front already. You can't mock me, dirty girl. Careless girl, you can't mock me. But talk about the hundreds of men where you interview, and when you done interview them carrying some motel and dig out your hole. And that you talk about, dirty girl. Careless girl, and that you talk about.
Guys, like and share.
Look how things Lorraine do for you. Hmm? When people want to come out, because them order them cake from you, and you don't deliver. Eh? And Lorraine have to turn on and pay them out of her pocket. To take shame out of your face, ungrateful bitch. To take shame out of your face. Eh? A long time this year come to Lorraine, you know, and not just this year, you know. Last year, when Lorraine did, when the cake argument come up on Lorraine platform, you put up a post on your page, but you see another baker woman come out, but you just watch something. I saw it. I'm said to Lorraine, say, Lorraine, you know, say, are you Tina talk? Are you Tina talk, you know, hey, dirty girl, me read you up a long time, you know. And you see the whole of uno we farm uno alliance, and I'm going like, you know, want come for Lorraine. Me read you up a long time. And she said, the whole ones I said, a dirty hypocrite. All of uno.
I'm by myself. It's not me that I talk about. Not me.
Lorraine, stand up for Uno. When the internet turn for Uno. Eh? Especially you old girl. Because I feel for it not have no use. Because any man ever going at that is just like an old tractor when them take up and a try fix. Dirty girl, love Lorraine and love me. Love me, Tina. Love me and love Lorraine. You hear me tell you, dirty girl? Careless girl, go look about your kids. The time you take them on social media becoming a problem to people, you go try and form a relationship with your kids. Your daughter was sick with cancer now, through her cancer on social media, you depend. Eh? Look at you. Look at you. And you call yourself a businesswoman? So as a businesswoman, I saw you be here. I saw you be here. What kind of business you run? Dirty girl, old girl, done out front girl. Me said that. Come for me today. I tell you, sir, we deal with you in a Tina Chin. And you see the way me have to deal with you, you have to sorry, you know, dirty girl. Don't play with me. You hear me tell you? Yeah, run your business. You should say it's a bad mind, dirty bitch. Well, Lorraine, do for you on this internet. You should have been the one to say to Lorraine, say, as the next woman, uplift another woman. You go, girl. You go, girl. Because enough people Lorraine sent you. Even me she sent you. And me tell Lorraine, say, me not buy no cake from you. That's how me tell her. Me not buy no cake from you. That's how I tell her. The day I block you on my page, you go call Lorraine and ask Lorraine for my phone number. Where do you want my phone number for? To give to the dirty boy with a question. Hey, dirty girl, me read you a long time, you know. Me sit through you a long time, you know. Me sit through you a long time, you know. You come talk about people that say you're picking sick. And which two women did come out here on platform and are ready to march on your behalf, dirty girl? You say, oh?
Pause. I know you guys are here for the mix-up, but please remember to remember the like button, guys. We like free things over here. We like freebies. We like free likes and we like free shares. Please drop some likes and please drop some shares. It's not that hard. Listen, nothing over right now on the don't like Tina Chin. Put on some like, buddy. Put on some like. Especially Ono. Put on some like. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, and the ones who like her too, put on some likes too. Maybe some anger faces too. Whatever, I don't really care. Let's put something. Oh, and don't forget the share button. Share this video so other mix-up people can come and listen to the mix-up. Because we love mix-up. And I'm a man saying I love mix-up. I really do. I love other people's gossip. I thrive on people's gossip. It makes my heart go toot toot.
Wicked bumble hole, excuse my language, people. You're a wicked dirty girl. You. When them a drag your daughter, I never the people them when your farm alliance will come out for you. Neither the drunk or England or the rest of the drunk or them when you sit down with a plot for Lorraine and then they come out and talk to you. And me and Lorraine come talk on your behalf and your daughter's behalf. You remember that? You remember that? When them did a drag you, and me go on my page and make posts defending you after what you do me in 2018. Cool girl. Every time it come on, me hear the argument, you know. But me just see it for myself. Because them say, until you wear the shoes, you know how it squeeze you. But remember, every time it come up to cake season, yeah? It's a problem with you. Why? Why, dirty girl? Ungrateful bitch. Why?
Oh God.
Why? Eh? Why? You gonna talk about me and secret for Lorraine? Police and jailers have your dirty front and secrets. You hear me tell you? Police, immigration, and jailers have your dirty front and secret. Because when you go to prison, they must push up them hand under you. Me not have a secret for Lorraine. Me not have no secret for Lorraine. I mean, I need to have no secret for Lorraine.
Guys, remember the like button. Like
now,
the video.
from the other day, you now come with this. Hey, you think Lorraine a dirty careless girl like you? We take people, man. You think Lorraine a dirty careless girl like you? Girl, you remember how them did, how you come out on social media ball because the married man did left you? Eh? Cold girl, you remember? You remember how you was a disgrace on the bloody internet because you did there with the married man and the married man left you and you nearly my dirty girl. You want me to dig up your file for you?
Lord Jesus.
You want me to dig up your file for you, well done out whore? You want me to dig up your file for you? You must say Lorraine come out here about for people married man. Eh? You come talk about your drop word on Lorraine about how she pronounce word. Where you left all the childhood with drunk, come and talk. You can't stop with me either, you know. Because let me tell you this, dirty girl. You see, while you were being a drug mule, a college, a university, me the dirty girl, I will take my degree them and box out your drunk face.
Lord
Don't play with me.
Christ.
Leave Lorraine alone. You're too bad mind and wicked. You're too disgusting for a woman. You see, the next woman I going to do something. Eh? From last year, I see her come to Lorraine, you know.
Michelle, I am officially afraid of you. I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you, Michelle. I'm in a shake. Michelle, I didn't know you was this much of a savage. I didn't know. But I know now. So here we are. Turn over there, stay here. Stay over there, so. Afraid of you, girl? I'm afraid. I'm not afraid, though.
Last year, and I just know, I know just know, from last year when Lorena Baker cake them for carry go Canada, when she go when she go Canada, and people start asking her for cake. And from last year, you come to Lorena, ungrateful bitch, bad mind bitch.
God.
And from last year, you come to Lorena, But me I warn you, you go down a road which is a dangerous road. Me tell you now, otherwise don't ramp with me on this thing. Yeah, go down a dangerous road, You see, if you have your business, do your business and leave Lorraine alone. Because if you lose customers, it's not Lorraine fault. And your dirty behavior. And the fact that you take the people their money and they deliver the people them cake while you lose customer.
Lord Jesus.
Lorraine have an oven in her yard. She can bake and sell as much as she want. You're not on a franchise from baking over your dirty girl. What kind of business you come talk about? Business and because me say because you are the owner of the same way so TV it a spoil your business. And you spoil your business with your dirty behavior. Because when me look at you and your attitude and you are going as a businesswoman, I would have never buy a cake from you, you mad? You hear what Lorraine said? Things are going on people's stomach. Go in there with love. And Lorraine never tell you one thing. Stop come on platform and talk about you love them dirty drunker. Deal with them like the dirty drunker with them is because them not have no love for you. Them not have no love for you, so deal with them like the piece of dead. Them is. Tina, leave Lorraine alone. Leave Lorraine the hell alone, dirty girl. Cocoa girl, myself. Leave Lorraine alone. And you can't mock me because you're not dump on my level to mock me. You don't have what it takes to mock me, Tina Chin. Because me doubt you can't count on your 10 finger, your 10 to how much man ride you out. A 3 man me taking a my life.
Jesus Christ.
So you can't talk to me. I'm 56 more older than you. So you can't mock me, drunker.
What's your bad girl?
Go walk around my house and take down everything we're up there with what me achieve in a life and find your backside and box you down with them. You can't step to me. You don't have the intellectual capacity to step to Michelle.
Bad to bad.
You come out of McLaurin. You come out of McLaurin and talk all kind of things when Lorraine was the one. When stand up on this internet for you, me tell you, say, me know who you was from 2018, and a Lorraine platform come see Lorraine and defend you. And I said, let bygones be bygones and stop, but you will never change. You're always a goddamn snake. You have always been a goddamn snake, and you will continue to be the goddamn snake with that you are. Tina, you have issues.
Pause. The likes are moved very slow. Come, we should have been at more than 100 likes. Come, put on the look like them. We like free things over here. We like free things over here. So when I tell me so only go give me the view and no like to only to give me the view. Jesus Christ, Father God. I hope that God, what have I done to these people, Lord? Lord, I just want all of you to tell me, what have I done why you don't want to show me your support? What exactly? Is it because me and 19 is no longer friends? We're good now. We're good now. We just won't be on that level anymore, but we're good now.